Hello, I'm Shelley Dole. I'm a professor in education, now retired. I've published several books, book chapters and research articles on teaching and learning mathematics in schools. In this presentation, I'm going to share with you ideas, strategies and approaches for teaching mathematics in the early years. I will emphasise and stress the critical role of the teacher, the use of concrete materials and hands-on learning experiences to help children build rich conceptual structures in their mind for meaningful learning of mathematics. I will draw on neuroscience concepts of remembering, memory and understanding, and also the brain mechanism of forgetting, which may interfere with future learning of mathematics. I hope you can join me.